Hi everyone, my name is Dr. Adnan Azizi. I'm a senior lecturer and the course leader for the MSc in Data Science and Artificial Intelligence at the University of Suffolk. So this short presentation will introduce you to our MSc conversion program in Data Science and Artificial Intelligence. Before diving into the course, I just want to start with a little bit of background to highlight the job market landscape surrounding AI and data science in the UK, and also talk about how we started the MSc in response to that at Suffolk. So as some of you might already know, there is a shortage in terms of data skills, not only in the UK, but worldwide, especially when it comes to data science and AI. For example, the official website of the UK government in 2021 published that up to 230,000 roles are advertised each year which require hard data skills. And the thing is that many of the companies are struggling to recruit for these roles. So we have like 46% that have reported that they struggle to find appropriate candidates for their roles. So as a way to tackle this challenge, the UK government has launched the degree conversion program in data science and AI. And as a university, we were among the first to be part of this initiative. Just I wanted to highlight at this point that this is a course designed for students without a computing degree. So yeah, you might have a degree or a bachelor degree in pharmacy, maybe economics, from social science, whatever. These are, by the way, just a few disciplines that our students already joining our MSc already had, to name just a few. And maybe you want to switch now to a career in AI and data science. So this is the right degree for you. So we don't assume any prior knowledge in computing. You would be learning everything from scratch. And we will prepare you for roles in data science as data scientists, obviously, or machine learning engineers or AI specialists. I've put some numbers here to give you an idea about the median salaries in the UK for different roles. Obviously, these will vary depending on prior experience and the location. But what's unique in our MSc is that we prepare you for these core roles, but also we have modules that touch on, for example, databases and cloud computing, which are relevant to other types of roles like data engineering roles, database administration, which tend to not have a lot of people applying in this space. So that's something unique here. Also in our MSc, data analytics roles represent another route for employment that many of our graduates have successfully embarked on. And maybe some people start with data analyst role and then they move on data scientist. This is typical in data science area. Okay, now let me provide you with an overview of the course structure and the module we teach in our MSc course. First, in terms of structure, the course runs in 5 blocks of 6 weeks each, and where we focus on one module at a time. So in the first block, you will have an introductory module on programming and data management. This is a conversion degree, but you need to learn about programming because this is how you are going to implement the technical solutions. We don't assume that you have any prior knowledge, so we teach you Python programming from scratch. Python is an obvious choice because that's the language that's mostly used in the space of AI and data science. Databases are also a crucial part of data science and technology in general, since they are the mean by which companies and beyond organize their data. In particular, if you are working in data science, you are expected to be able to query data in SQL. So we teach you that, but not only that, we also teach you how to design and how to maintain relational databases. The module also provides a unique opportunity to integrate Python, SQL, and relational databases to create comprehensive applications that have their own interfaces. But most important to us is that our students use the skills acquired here to work on hands-on projects and be ready when they enter the job market. The second module is Fundamentals of AI and Data Science. This module lays the foundation for you to become a data scientist and AI expert. It will provide you with a deep overview of the AI discipline, including history of AI, philosophy of AI, some classical methods, but you will also learn how to extract important knowledge and patterns from data and make a compelling story out of it. A final interesting thing in this module is that we cover the ethical and privacy dimensions of AI and data science. The next module is cloud computing and big data. Now, cloud computing is a way to enable companies to create platforms for their computing solutions without upfront capital investment. I'm talking here in terms of hardwares, in terms of space. Companies can put all their data and computing solutions in the cloud. And nowadays we have many services that make this possible, like Amazon Web Services, Google Cloud, or Microsoft Azure. These providers are all discussed in the module, but the focus will be on Amazon Web Services, or AWS in short. This allows our students to pursue an AWS certifications, as the exam is closely related to what we cover in the module, in case you want to pursue this the certification. And talking about AWS, the University of Suffolk is an accredited Amazon Web Services Academy, which means that we are following the curriculum that is recommended by Amazon Web Services, and our students get heavily discounted vouchers in case they wish to pass the certification exams. The module will also cover big data technologies like NoSQL databases, which offer alternative architectures to the classical relational database type, especially when it comes to dealing with large-scale data. Then we move to the module Deep Learning and Advanced AI Techniques. Here we cover even more advanced techniques and methods. I'm sure everyone gets excited about deep learning, since it's the technology behind many of the exciting tools that came out recently, like OpenAI, ChatGPT, or Google Gemini. So in this module, you get to understand the fundamental and advanced concepts in this area. You get to work with hands-on practicals to implement deep learning solutions. And you will work with both classical neural networks, but also more advanced technologies like generative models and deep reinforcement learning. Finally, we have a non-taught module called Master's Project. This module can be seen as a culmination of what you learn during the MSc course, where you will work on a big project for an extended period of time. The project could be research-oriented, or could involve data from an industrial partner, or maybe you could design your own project with the help of your project supervisor. This module will typically run halfway through the course, so you can have plenty of time to work on a meaningful project. And obviously we'll have the last block as well to focus solely on it. In terms of timetabling, one big advantage we have is that given the block mode we are adopting, you will only have to attend class one day or 1.5 days per week. The rest of the week, students can work, for example, in parallel, or do other activities, or work on their coursework or assignments. And from looking at past cohorts, many students, including international students, report they joined the master and then found job opportunities or an internship early on in the master, which is great addition for their CV. All right, so in terms of where the teaching take place, it's gonna be in our 9.6 million Digitech Center, which is at Adastra Park. Also, just to mention something about Adastra Park, it's home to BT, but also over 150 high-tech companies literally on your doorstep. And we have already built close ties with BT and some other companies, and we are extending that through collaborative projects with our MSc student can benefit from. We will provide you with all the computational resources that you need. The lab computers where the teaching sessions take place should allow you to run most modeling tasks and they are available to you even outside teaching hours. In case you are working on a project that requires extensive computational resources, we have you covered. We can arrange access for you to our AI high computing server capable of running analysis on very big data sets thanks to its high spec configuration. Adastra Park is also well linked by public transport, but in addition to that, we provide free daily bus between Ipswich main campus and Adastra Park, one in the morning and one after the lecture at the end of the afternoon. So just to wrap up this, I have curated a short list of success stories from our past cohort just to give you an idea about the routes to the MSc. So as a first example, Doyin, he came from Nigeria with a BSc in applied geology, now fully converted as a data scientist. I would say by now he has even forgotten all about geology. Aaron William is another example. We did a 360-degree switch. He started in arts and media and now working in healthcare with the NHS as a data analyst. Another example from the AI space is Lutashi from Nigeria. She came with a master in pharmacy, now working as a consultant in AI at Capgemini. We have other examples including research like Karian doing PhD in psychology now. The list is not exhaustive, so just give you some few examples here. But yeah, we take great pride in our graduates and who go on to make meaningful impact across a wide range of industries. And maybe you can be one of the graduates we can talk about in future years if you decide to join us. I hope this inspired you to consider applying to study AI and data science here at Suffolk. If you need more information about the MSc program and how to apply, you can check the official page of the master in the link I provided at the top. Also, feel free to contact me by email, so as I put it here. And in the meantime, you can follow our LinkedIn page to keep in touch and keep up to date to what's happening in the master. Looking forward to having you in one of our classes. Thank you.